Hi there! I've got a great tool to show you today. Introducing the DEWALT DWHT070485 Compound Action Pliers Set. This robust trio features induction-hardened cutting edges, built for strength and durability. With a compound action design, you get a remarkable 70% increase in cutting capacity. The spring mechanism adds convenience, while the locking system ensures safe storage. And let's not forget those bi-material handles, solid and comfortable for extended use. Whether you need diagonal cutters, universal pliers, or long nose pliers, this set has you covered. Elevate your toolkit with the DEWALT DWHT070485 Compound Action Pliers Set, where versatility meets durability.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.